corner of the forest, a curious young girl stumbles upon a shy, furry creature peeking out from behind a bush. Lily's heart races with curiosity as she decides to follow the rabbit deeper into the enchanted woods. Lily hesitates at the edge of the river, uncertainty clouding her face as she ponders her next move. The wise animals caution Lily about the perils that lie ahead, their voices filled with urgency and warning. Undeterred by the warnings, Lily takes a step forward, ready to face the challenges that await her on the other side. Lily and the rabbit exchange a knowing glance, silently communicating their shared resolve to overcome the obstacles in their way. With the rabbit's encouragement, Lily takes a tentative step onto the bridge, feeling the weight of her courage pressing down on her small shoulders. As they inch across the bridge, Lily's heart pounds in her chest, the sound of rushing water echoing in her ears. With a shared smile, Lily and the rabbit celebrate their victory over the challenges of the forest, their unbreakable bond a testament to perseverance and kindness.